Well, hi there. I had a friend that asked me if I could make a confetti cake, and she sent me a picture. Her name is Sharlene, and she wanted blueberries in the middle and strawberries around it. So I said, okay, Grammie will do it with her twist. She wanted cookie cutter, and I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. Just to speed things up, I used a cake mix. You can use a cake mix of your choice. And what I did was I put it in a 9 by 12. It's an odd shaped pan. It was my grandmother's. I've had it for years. And what I did is you want to follow the directions on the back of whatever box you get. Now this one's a white super moist. So then I went and I purchased these sprinkles right here. It's an assortment of sprinkles, but you got the red, white, and blue. So as I was doing the batter, I meant to take a picture, but I didn't. It was so warm. It's still so warm in here right now. That you put some sprinkles in the batter. And then I poured it in the pan, half of it. Then I did some more sprinkles. Then I put a little bit more sprinkles in the bowl, and then poured it in the pan. And then I topped it off with sprinkles at the top. So you don't need to buy a fancy confetti cake. You can make your own. Now look how good this came out. Right here. Look at that. With my own creation, my own twist. It can be done. I was trying to make this festive for the 4th of July, so I put aluminum foil on it. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do. Maybe put some American flags around here. I don't know. I don't know yet. You know me, you never know. But I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do right now. You always wanna test your cake. I use a great big skew. And you poke a hole. And if it comes out clean, you know your cake is done. Let's do it in a couple of places, just like that. And what I do is once my cake is baked, I let it sit for 10 minutes, flip it over in whatever pan I'm going to use, and let it naturally release on its own. Okay, make sure you got clean hands, which I do. Okay, we got a little cloth here in case I need it. And you need some Cool Whip or whipped cream or whatever you want to do to top it. Even if you want to use frosting, you can use that. But I asked Mr. R and he said whipped topping because he thought it would be good with strawberries. So here we go. We need strawberries and blueberries, and I have them right here. I got my blueberries. Whoa, you can see I washed them, the water's coming out. And I've got my strawberries right here, and this is a strawberry huller for nobody that knows what it is. And how you use it, you take the strawberry like this, and you take this, and you go right in, and go right around, just like that. Ta-da! It's all done. So, those are very inexpensive. You can find them in most stores that sell gadgets. So let's get started. Got some Cool Whip here. We're gonna put it right on the top. I hope everybody's having a nice 4th of July start. I don't know what everybody's doing. Ourselves, I think we're just gonna stay home and have a quiet 4th of July. We haven't been invited anywhere. We usually throw a huge party, but we decided to stop the parties. It was getting to be too much for me. A lot of work. We did fireworks, we did grilling of food. Oh, it was a great time of fellowship with family and friends. But like I said, it just gets to the point, it gets to be a lot of work. So we're going to start enjoying life a little more. Yeah, just like that. I have an offset spatula if you want to be real fancy and make it real pretty. Just kind of go like this. But You know me, I'm just an old plain gal from the country. Okay, then we're gonna take our strawberries, and what I did is I quartered them. I didn't know if I wanted to go this way. I didn't know if I wanted to go this way. But I think I've decided to go this way. And we're gonna go just like this. I don't know how this is gonna come out. I've never made one before. I'm only going by a picture and what I was asked. Whoa, that's all right. A little blooper right there. And we'll round the corner like that. And we'll go down like this. And we'll go down like this. Nobody says you gotta be perfect. When it's your own creation, you just kind of wing it. I went one way, now I'm going the opposite way. Just like that. Oh gosh, that come out good. Kind of want a bigger one. I guess we're gonna go up like that. And like that. So there you have it, you got the strawberries on. Now I don't know, this one or this one? What do you think? That looks a little too big to me. I don't know, maybe the blueberries are gonna go all over. I've never done this. I don't know what's gonna happen. So we got the blueberries. Hey, if I make a mistake, we'll just take it off and I'll come up with something else. Like I said, you don't have to be perfect. We all want things to look good, but I know I'm not perfect. I don't betray to be perfect. I make mistakes like everybody else. I hope this comes out. Hey, if it didn't, we can get a good hoot out of it. Just push it down just a tad. Well, I think that looks all right. I'd like to have more blueberries on it, but I don't want it to fall off. Cross our fingers. My first attempt. Dun, da, da. Hey, pretty good. Ooza, who's your mama now? Okay, everybody, look at this. Ta-da! Like I said, it's nothing fancy. It's my own creation. Oh, we got a strawberry. That's for me. I just like to add that the strawberry fields here in Maine, where I live, are not open yet. Stevenson's in Wayne. The weather has been so bad and so rainy. We called and talked to the owners. We know them personally. And Ford said that it's a week-by-week basis. You gotta call. So I had to go buy my berries, but that just tasted yummy. I guess I'm gonna cut this. I thought I stopped. I wasn't gonna cut this, but I will, just to show you what the inside's gonna look like. I really don't feel like eating. It is way too hot, but there you have it right there. Look at that. And I'll save this for Mr. R. He's out working right now. I'll take a little taste of this though. Please give me thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. And a shout out will be coming on Thursday this week. I'm a little busy. I didn't get to do what I wanted to do. And like I say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. So God bless. have a good day, and happy 4th of July. I think I'll be on one more time before 4th of July, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.